Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets: blue color, green color, black color, red color, yellow color. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabet. First we use the color of black, and now we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw the alphabet of C. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, the next one is E. Now we draw F. Blue color. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now we use blue color and draw the alphabet of F. F for fan. The next one is G. G for gorilla. And the next one is H. Now we draw I. We again use the color of blue. I for ice cream. And now we draw the alphabet of J. J for jackfruit, J for joker. Now we draw K. K for kite. And now we draw L. L for lemon. The next one is M. Now we use the color of green. Kids, now we draw M. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. We again use green color and now we draw O. The next one is P. P for parrot. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. Kids, now we use the color of black. R for rose, R for rice. Now we draw the alphabet of R. And the next one is S. Kids, now we draw T. T for tiger. The next one is U. U for umbrella. We again use black color and now we draw V. V for van. The next one is W. W for wolf. And now we draw X. X for X-ray. The next one is Y and now we use the color of yellow. Now we use the color of yellow and draw Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.